Hi, here I am back again for the third live video in like an hour's time. But I'm sitting here making little heart molds of my night cream, and this actually takes a while. So I was thinking I might actually talk to you guys about something that's on my mind. You know, if you don't already know, I also have a health and fitness business. And so after I started doing this for about a year, right, I've had some real benefits as a result of using some of my products, right? So when I use the plant-based products with the essential oils, which provide some mental and emotional support and guidance, if you will. So the essential oils that I use, particularly neroli, I've had a really powerful experience with that has really did a lot for increasing my self-worth and my ability to show up every day and be confident and to be able to be connected spiritually and physically, right? So that spiritual and the physical sides of me. I mean, in a way, I feel like neroli has like helped me align those and help me kind of come into my own body and into my own self, my own spiritual self. And, you know, so as a result, I wanted bigger and better things, and I got to a place where I decided that I wanted to incorporate better eating initially, right? Because my body was just a mess. I mean, I had a lot of stomach problems and I had a lot of lower back pain, and I just had never managed to really incorporate a really good nutrition and especially not a fitness plan. So after about a year or year and a half of making skincare and using my own products, I was finally motivated to go ahead and start a fitness program. And it wasn't just fitness. I had no idea. I was just going for fitness. I just wanted to stop hurting. And so I went in and I started this program. And what's really cool, and I had no idea, it has a superfood shake that's part of the program, right? And as well as it has a meal plan which is based on clean eating, right? And nourishing eating that is designed to like balance out what my body needs and support an active lifestyle. And just overall to function better. And I had no idea what I was walking into. And as a result, I have become healthier and healthier on so many different levels. And so that's what I mean by healthy skin from the inside out, right? Beauty from the inside out. And so what I've learned, and it's really interesting because I was using my own products for like a year, right? And in that time, you know, I felt better. I thought my skin looked better. I have that dewy thing going on. But in the last year that I've been actually incorporating more and more superfoods and exercise and increased water and removed toxins from on so many levels between processed foods and not organic pesticides, all that, right? So my food has gotten cleaner and cleaner, and I've incorporated more and more superfoods, which are like densely packed nutrition, right? And the more that I've done that, I get more and more compliments on my skin. And so I've begun to realize in the last 6 months or so that what I'm putting in my body, the exercise, right? The detoxification benefits that alone that come from exercise, plus just increased circulation, overall oxygenation increased, all of that has really supported my overall external appearance, right? Like I'm radiating with an energy from within that I've generated through eating the right foods, adding powerful superfoods, and particularly ones that support healthy skin, which really, I mean, let's face it, having healthy skin is really, your skin, it's the largest organ, right? My skin is a direct reflection of what's going on in my body. You know, when you look around at folks that are going through like major, let's say drug or alcohol detox, for example, and their skin is just ashy or yellow or completely dehydrated and just, right? Our skin is a direct reflection of what's going on inside our bodies. So when people say, oh my God, your skin's amazing, and a lot of times, you know, just a lot of people just want to do a quick fix in all areas of our life. But the thing is, the true value in life and the joy that we get and the things that are out there, I tell you what, all of that, honestly, is like a result of, I've just lost my train of thought, of right living, right? So I think what I was talking about is skin and healthy skin and being happy and just having a fulfilling life. All of that is included. So my skin and the way I look and present myself, my energy level is all a result of the nutrition. I mean, yes, I also do put quality products on my skin because I make them, right? But I'm also putting stuff inside my body that helps support my system, my body system. And when I'm nourished, then my skin is a reflection of that. And so I just kind of wanted to come up and mention that, because that's a super huge piece. Like, and when I talk about that botanical side of things, and my business is called Botanically Fit. So it really, a lot of it is about nutrition. And yeah, I do the fitness as well, right? I do some high intensity workouts. I'm consistent. And I do some yoga, and I do some PIO, and I do just a variety of different things because it's a part of, well, I do it because I need to keep doing it. Because that is also a part of healthy living on a daily basis. And so, but my Botanically Fit, a lot of it is about the plant-based nutrition, the plant-based superfood supplementation, holistic health, right? So it's not just fitness, or it's not just this or not just that. It's about being a well-rounded person, right? I can be super stressed out all the time and work out all the time and go hardcore, but if I'm super stressed, that's gonna come out, right? That's not healthy living in my mindset. And so when I talk about Botanically Fit and really living a healthy lifestyle, which is what I'm all about, that's, well-rounded, holistic health. When my body needs rest, it rests. I think sleep is very important, right? I also need to set goals. I need to be of service to other people. There's a lot of different ways that we can show up that will help us find a good and a healthy life, live a healthy life that's a nourishing one that actually is worth living. You know what I mean? And so many of us just live these lives where we just are just barely, just doing the next right thing, but we're not living up to our potential. And what kind of life is that? I mean, really, at least that's what I think. And what kind of life are we showing our children? That it's okay to sell ourselves short or not live up to our potential. I think these are really important things that we should think about. And when I say our children, just because I don't have children doesn't mean that I can't be an example for other children in the world. There's a lot of children out there that don't have good direction. And so I think we're all, as adults, part of that example that needs to be set for those children, for the children of the world. So, okay, I think I've just babbled long enough, and I don't see anyone on. I'm sure I've kind of overloaded the live feed. Yeah, and I've ran out of things here, so I need to figure out a different process now. All right, have a good day. Bye.